Uh, Hello. This is this is my recording to show my work. So as you can see, I have the going over what we need to be the GOI, um, the score and the high score there, um, and so like if I start the game, just to quickly show the GUI aspects of it. Um, each color represents would represent a different enemy, and as you were able to see, I'll do it again just to make sure. Purple gives like 100. Purple gives like 100 score. Red gives 10. Orange gives 30, and yellow gives like 20. So like they all have different varying amounts. I could add more and stuff, but that was just to show it could be done. And the score did stayed at the four digits, like four zeros at the very least. Um, Even as I was racking up points, so that accomplishes that format for the string. The scoring system was well, there you go. I had four different enemies. While I have they're just blocks with different colors. They all have different values depending on how they're killed. Uh, because which is in my it's just if statements really. It just checks what the name is of the object that got destroyed. Um. Okay, so going to the logic of it. If I play the game again. You were on if earlier one of the enemies shot randomly. Um, as you can see, they're moving. They have this weird thing where when they're colliding against each other, they just like fall. But they're shooting themselves now because they move. Because I couldn't fix why. I don't know why they're rotating, but they normally go down, as you see. The player can move left and right. He could shoot at them, destroying his barrier and stuff. He can move towards all the way towards the left or all the way towards the right. Um, Basically, boxes destroy each other. I mean, the bullets destroy each other. Uh, I'm able to destroy my own. Um, I wasn't able to accomplish the speeding up as they're destroyed. Um, to look at more of my code. Oh, wait, hold on. Just bullets. Okay, so this is a player. This is just controlling two things. The moving and the shooting, which is basically just makes a bullet in the where the offset is. The bullets are what's controlling or what's destroying the object. Essentially, when a bullet collides with something, it destroys it. So it doesn't matter what. I had a bit of a hiccup where my own and the enemy spaceships were destroying itself because the way the bullet was setting or where the bullet started off. Here is the enemy code where I keep track of the fire rate, the speed. Could be I have the speed, so like later on when I'm able to implement the actual movement, um, to move faster at the less enemies are. I don't think drop down actually does anything. Our drop down is just how it moves sound. Um, yeah, they have the same where it's basically an if statement, just like when it keeps randomizing every update, so every like to see if it's gonna shoot, and depending on the fire rate, which I had set like at 0.9999, and the same thing destroys the bullet after a few seconds. Fixed update, so that's just controlling their movement. So like it moves to the left, right to left, and then when it collides with the invisible wall I have towards the at the edges, it turns the speed negative, so basically flips it to move the other way, and then drops it down a position, and then wasn't really able to make it so. Um, Basically, only the raycast does the scoring system so far, which is it checks what the name is and it scores depending on what the name is. Um, because I wasn't able to really work with when the bullets got destroyed or when the bullets hit it, or when the bullets collided with it, or when they're destroyed. That's probably something I could actually work on later to make it look more nice and actually get to work with the bullets. Uh, so it just edits text using the two-string D4 is how it gets the string to not get any less than 4. And that's it.